Hey, have you ever seen anything so beautiful it takes your breath away? Now, Pear and Chestnut, who don't know summer, are about to see something for the very first time. Pear and Chestnut's first fireworks. For the past few years, the summers have been so hot that it was too warm for anyone to watch fireworks, so the big festival was postponed until autumn. A little pear, who was on a high hill, asked, "Fireworks? What are fireworks?" Calm Chestnut also wondered, "We've never seen them before." Finally, the day of the fireworks festival arrived. The air was cool and clear, and Pear and Chestnut, on their high hill, were perfectly ready to watch the fireworks from the best spot. Their hearts were thumping with excitement. Then, pop! A small light bloomed in the sky. Boom! A bigger, brighter one. Do, 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 boom! Pear gasped, and Chestnut's eyes grew wide and round. Colors exploded everywhere. Boom! The fireworks burst. Red, blue, green, golden. Whoosh! Whoosh! Giant fireworks sparkled in the darkness, incredibly beautiful. When it was over, everything grew quiet. Pear whispered, "That was the most wonderful thing ever." Chestnut nodded. "It truly was magical. I hope we can see them again next year." Pear and Chestnut smiled at each other. Have you encountered anything surprisingly beautiful recently? If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe to our channel. We'll continue to bring you heartwarming stories.